Out of our location, we service long-term care residents at nursing facilities, ALFs, ICFs, and we service one jail. We're about 3 times the size now that we were 13 years ago. We were set up very manual labor. We did a whole lot of movement by human, printing one location, pulling meds, bringing them into one pharmacist. Not very efficient at that point. We are on demand is a very large percentage of our business, but we also do cycles. We've got some assisted livings that we cycle meds on, and those are monthly cycles, 28-day cycles actually. We purchased one machine in 2009, another one in 2013, and now we're up to, in 2019, we're up to 4. You know, I worked D4 as hard as I could for as long as I could. D4 was in our production from 2009 through 2020, or into 2020. It was funny, you'd see some that have a little resistance, but that same person may be looking at it and you see one of those cards drop out all by itself and no one touched anything. You see them smile too. It's exciting, I think. You just gotta get past the fear. You know, recently, last year or so, we were able to start running our cycles through our DOSIS machines and just let it run and split those cycles out, you know. So that's actually probably getting about 75 to 80% of our cycled blister cards out of a DOSIS machine at this point. They hear me say it all the time. I want to be the best pharmacy, not in our company. I want to be the best long-term care pharmacy in the nation. It's a partnership all the way across between your employees down to your customers. So yeah, it's got to be, you set a scorecard. There's a scorecard. I want to be the best. Yeah. I've been able to experience talking with other members of your team. Actually know a lot of them, guys that have been around for a while. So for me, it's been really good because I can pick up a phone and there's 2 or 3 guys that I know that I can reach out to and get a quick answer. And it's from people that I trust that it's going to filter down to where it needs to be filtered down and get it taken care of. So we want to maximize everything we have, whether it be the robot or production technician, pharmacist. We want to maximize what we have there, and we want them to be the best that they can be at that. So when I look down the road, we want to be able to grow, and we want to be able to grow in a way that is not going to hurt anyone. You know, we want it to be exciting and we want it to be fun. And I think that automation helps us achieve that by not having to push someone into 12-hour days. We didn't replace employees with machines. We relocated employees to better other processes and tasks that needed to be done. And that's, of course, I said it, that's in a location where there's not a whole lot of, the employee pool is fairly slim. So again, it's allowed us to put people where we needed them, to where it made a bigger difference, and we can let automation take care of things that we were forcing them into or having to keep them into. And there's proof of a reduction in cost because of it.